In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on eBay. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of setting up your dropshipping business on this popular platform. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First things first, you'll need to register for an eBay seller account. As you embark on this journey, you'll have the option to choose between an individual or a business account. Each has its advantages depending on your specific needs. If you're just starting out as a hobby, an individual account might suffice. But if you're aiming for more volume or functionality, a business account can offer additional features and data insights to help you scale efficiently. Now that your account is set up, the next step involves some detective work. Specifically, we're talking about researching popular and trending products on eBay. This is crucial because selecting the right items is foundational to any successful dropshipping venture. Visit resources like export.ebay.com, where you can find a list of best-selling items. Use this list as inspiration to determine what products you might want to list in your store. In addition to browsing online platforms, don't forget the importance of securing reliable suppliers. These suppliers should offer products at competitive wholesale prices, ensuring your margins remain healthy. Once you've narrowed down your product list and suppliers, it's time to work on creating compelling product listings. High-quality images are a must because customers want to see exactly what they're considering purchasing. Pair these visuals with detailed descriptions. When crafting these descriptions, be precise and informative, giving potential buyers all the necessary information such as dimensions, materials, and any special features. Remember, the more buyers know, the more confident they'll feel making a purchase. Now let's talk about managing orders and customer service. As you start to sell, you'll need to be prompt and organized about processing orders. Communication is key. Ensure customer questions and concerns are addressed quickly to foster a positive shopping experience. This aspect is just as important as having quality products, if not more so, since good service can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. Lastly, once you've got a handle on the basics, consider utilizing dropshipping automation tools. Words like AutoDS, Wholesale2B, and Spocket might sound new now, but they can soon become your best friends. These tools can significantly streamline the process of listing products, managing orders, and tracking inventory. They help reduce human error and increase efficiency, allowing you to focus on growing other aspects of your business. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to running a successful eBay dropshipping business. Remember, the key is in the details, from research to customer service. Stay diligent, keep learning, and your efforts will surely pay off. Thanks for watching, and happy dropshipping.